I'm supposed to leave in like 3 hours. I have nothing packed. I shot a wedding all day yesterday. I worked all day for 5 days before that. 4 days, 5. I've lost track of all the things I've done. I accidentally deleted an entire video, so I don't have a video to post tomorrow. Well, I just have to make 2 videos from Vegas. This is my favorite time. Short trips where I just kind of throw stuff in a bag right before I have to leave. I feel like there's some sort of creativity that comes out of that. That's like my favorite form of creativity. Like I'm packing 4 pairs of shorts, 4 shirts, and a couple pairs of socks and underwear, and then a camera bag with a skateboard. Impulsively making a trip every once in a while keeps you on your toes and keeps you creative. See, I just packed everything in 2 minutes. Since doing it last time I left my home state, it has now been a necessity. So, alright, this looks more like my bag.
Yeezy, 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 just
every time I see one of these air traffic control towers, it makes me think of the cover of Views by Drake. And it makes me want to see the CN Tower just to think about that cover. I don't know why. Like there's an air traffic control at the airport that's not far from my house. And every time I see it, it makes me think of the cover of Views. Even though, let's go to Vegas though. Okay, that's cool. I break my camera before I even get there.
Yes, we do. Should have done that.
Oh, I got it! I filmed a video in here like 6 years ago. And it looks like this. And now I'm gonna skate through it. Hype. I like this.
just to see what mood she on. All white bricks, my hotline bling. Coolin' with my team.
Let's go. We get to check a new state out. Never been to Nevada? Here we go. Oh my lord. Hey, look, slots. That's kind of sick. They have a Lego vending machine. This is all foreign. I don't go to urban places, moral of the story. Alright, time to go hunt down my bag. I love this so much. I love this. I love this feeling. Hype. See, I think I could get used to this. Skating through airports, skating around. I love this. It's not happening. I'm not gonna skate well this ship. I can't land it. I didn't know this. Roman Atwood's here, and I noticed it because of this yellow Lamborghini Urus. Like, I looked at his thumbnail yesterday. I was taken right here. That's crazy. I get the idiot sandwich guy on my room key. Look at me go, bro. I just slept for like 4 hours. It's 7 p.m. here. Back home, it's only 6. Oh, this is very weird to me. It's like, this place is really sick. It's out of my nature, I guess. Like 6 elevators, concrete jungle. This is not my element. So like snow-capped mountains and almost dying snowboarding. I'm gonna get copyright claimed if I film any longer in here, but these wings look absolutely gas. Me and 4th of July have a weird history. I actually started hanging out with Cole on the 4th of July. But we're gonna get a cool shot, dude. Hopefully I eat shit into this bush. Y'all ain't ready for this.
I've been coolin', they think I rap too much. I got some new drip just to show 'em where I'm at. Got a new bitch, my shawty can relax. Now my new thing saying I'm bringing her back to me.
That was an experience. I think I'm okay with the spot that I got. I can't change it. There's no more fireworks. It was a unique process. They're just going crazy. Oh, they're all over the place. The city moves so fast. Like, see, I've never been to New York, but I really want to go. And I want to see how fast that city moves compared to here. Based off of this, New York is crazy if it's faster than this. 31 stories up, I just want to go to the ground. I think I found where to go. Those are all one ways, but I gotta get up onto the sidewalk. Let me see what it's like on the strip. I have no clue where I'm going. I love this though. Just following what my brain says. I wish I was up here during the fireworks. That would have been so sick. This is so odd. Like there's so much here. You know how like Spider-Man has his roof in the Spider-Man series that he goes to just whenever he wants to feel free? This is my version of that, but in Vegas. I got a little long exposure photo shoot in. This tripod is so fucked. The weirdest thing is having a hotel that has a whole mall in it. Like there's more than a mall than a hotel. Last time I went to Chick-fil-A, they didn't even really want to take my order. I was also the only white person there. That was 20,000 times better than the one I had in Florida. The one I had in Florida was honestly kind of some hot ass. This one was a lot better. I'm very sad that we don't have Chick-fil-A in Alaska. It's just very disappointing. You go to Vegas, you decided to spend more money than you thought. I found a pair of sunglasses that I did not expect to buy.
It'd be $224.
I told myself that I'd get a nice pair of sunglasses before I started driving so I don't crash my car. Something I personally don't think I'll ever be able to like understand, like gratification and satisfaction from physical objects. It's all just more things to me. Like holding these bags doesn't make me happy. Like the only thing that gives me any sort of satisfaction from owning is hamburger. Help to the cleaning lady coming to our room. She doesn't speak English very well. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the weirdest experience I've ever had.
I woke up, I heard the knocking. She's just like in the room trying to figure out what to clean as I'm still laying in bed. Like she was trying to clean our bathroom while I was still laying in bed.
Baby, don't trip, drop your shoes at the door. I know you a freak, by the look at your body. Nah, I can't cuff you, a real busy body. And I know you won't tell nobody about it. You don't even need to trip over me. You can take you a look and just tell that I'm solid. Fuck all